In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gantt chart view in Monday.com. This process is quick and straightforward, so let's dive right in and explore how you can enhance your project management skills using this feature. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're there, simply click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Here, you'll see several login options, and for today, we're going to use Google as our login method. Click on the Google option and select the Google account you wish to use. This straightforward process ensures that your Monday.com account is easily accessible and connected. Once logged in, your focus should shift to the left panel of your project dashboard. This section is essential as it houses all your boards and is the gateway to accessing specific projects. From the left menu, choose the board where you'd like to create a Gantt chart view. Simply click on the board's name and you'll be directed to the main workspace for that project. In the top panel of your board, look for a small plus icon. This icon is crucial as it allows you to add new views to your board. Click on this plus icon and you'll see a list of potential views appear. Among these options, you'll want to click on Gantt. Gantt. By selecting this, you initiate the setup of a Gantt chart for your selected board. Now, you'll find yourself looking at a newly created Gantt chart view of your items. This visual representation is powerful for project management, allowing you to see tasks and timelines at a glance. It's a convenient way to monitor project progress and deadlines effectively. Here in this view, you can dive deeper by adding new items. Look for the New Item button. Clicking this allows you to add tasks or deliverables directly to your Gantt chart, ensuring that all necessary components of your project are accounted for. A great feature of the Gantt chart view in Monday.com is the flexibility it offers. At the top of the Gantt chart, there is an option to change the time frame of your view, whether you want to focus on the next few days, weeks, or even look over the next few months or years. This flexibility allows you to tailor the Gantt chart to your specific planning needs. By following these steps, you're able to utilize a Gantt chart in Monday.com efficiently, offering you an enhanced perspective and control over your projects. Whether you're managing a simple task list or comprehensive project timelines, a Gantt chart can be a game changer in how you visualize and plan your projects. Enjoy using this powerful feature and happy project planning.